Okay. And to fold your mower up, save some space in the wintertime, I'm going to grab this handle right here, turn it, that pulls the pin out, and that pulls the pin out. Now, that folds straight forward. Got a nice little handle here. Looks like the handle's on the wrong side, but there you go, she folds right up. So you can sit her in your garage and save space. Anyway, at the end of the season, when you're ready to start using her again, pull these back out, get it somewhat lined up, and turn that knob again, and then just move the handle up and down until she pins in there, and now she's ready to go for business time again. Hope that helps you out.